Welcome back. Metro Bike 5 here's a script for a video review covering a fictional, feature-packed 2025 Honda Fury chopper, combining elements from a variety of motorbike influences and styles, as he described. Camera zooms in on the bike sitting against a sunset backdrop with the mountain view. Meet the 2025 Honda Fury chopper, a game-changing fusion of power, style, and innovation that's set to redefine the chopper world. This isn't just any ride, this is a blend of chopper style, performance-driven design, and modern technology crafted for the road warrior who wants it all. Under the hood, the Honda Fury chopper packs a high-performance 1800cc flex fuel V-twin engine. Flex fuel means you can hit the road with either E85 ethanol or traditional gasoline, giving you versatility and eco-friendliness without compromising on power. This beast pumps out a staggering 130 horsepower and offers a torque of 110 pounds-feet, enough to give you that thrilling acceleration you crave. Footage of the bike accelerating on a long, open road. This bike doesn't just look powerful, it performs like a dream. The 2025 Fury chopper has a finely tuned suspension and a lightweight chassis inspired by sport bikes like the Hayabusa. You get razor-sharp handling, making it easy to carve through the twists and turns, or cruise effortlessly along open highways. Let's talk about design. The Fury chopper's Blackbird-inspired matte black finish is bold and stealthy, perfect for riders who love a no-nonsense look. The Blackbird exhaust system adds a throaty roar every time you rev up, and with custom bobber-style handlebars, you get a unique hybrid of chopper and bobber aesthetics. The attention to detail here is truly impressive, from the low-profile LED lighting to the stylish solo seat that emphasizes that classic chopper silhouette. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement. The 2025 Fury chopper combines the aggressive style of a sportster with the comfort of a cruiser, a versatile, hybrid design that stands out. And for the long haulers, Honda has integrated a range-extending fuel tank that pairs perfectly with the bike's flex fuel engine, making it ideal for both daily commutes and cross-country trips. So how does the 2025 Fury chopper stack up against other big names, like the Road Glide STR or even a classic Harley Sportster? The Fury is lighter, with sharper handling, and its flex fuel capabilities make it more adaptable. Not to mention, Honda's reputation for reliability means this bike is ready to take you the distance. The camera zooms in on the narrator standing next to the bike. So, is the 2025 Honda Fury chopper the game-changer you've been waiting for? Absolutely. With a perfect blend of performance, design, and innovation, this bike offers something unique in the market. Whether you're a chopper fan or just looking for a high-performance cruiser that turns heads, from the city streets to the open highway, the Fury chopper is built to deliver. Drone footage of the bike riding off into the sunset. Thanks for joining us on this review of the 2025 Honda Fury chopper. If you're ready to experience this beast for yourself, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more reviews. Right here on this script captures the bike's features, design, and competitive edge, making it informative and engaging for viewers interested in choppers, sport bikes, and cruisers.